Hello, this is Dr. Vicki again. Welcome to a short presentation on the data life cycle. Understanding the data life cycle can empower a company or an organization to make better use of the data they collect. More data is being generated than any other time in human history. Data that's utilized properly can do everything from driving industry to improving medical care and even to influence elections. Data is an essential information, and knowing what to do with that information is at the core of business intelligence. Are you ready to learn the data life cycle in less than 5 minutes? Let's go. Business intelligence is simply the process by which you make sense of information. The simplest way of thinking about the power of data is to understand what we call the data life cycle. Remember that data is simply information, or, put another way, life is data and everything about life is a data generating process. So, think of data generation as the first phase of the data life cycle. Once the data has been generated, it must then be collected, which is essentially the process of recording the information generated by the data collection. It could take the form of anything from surveys to medical records and sales data, and what each organization will do differs based on their needs after collection. The data then has to be stored somewhere. These days, it's usually a computer hard drive or a cloud-based server, but it could be a piece of paper going into a filing cabinet or even a memory in someone's mind. Unfortunately, this is where most data dies. Organizations, businesses, and individuals are actually sitting on mountains of data, but they just don't know what to do with it. Data shouldn't have to die in storage. It wants to speak and provide us with potentially useful information. And the most effective means of communicating that information is through visualization. Sometimes seeing something in a different way completely changes your understanding of that thing, and therefore can potentially allow you to notice patterns that were seemingly unnoticed or non-existent before. Once you have recognized those patterns, you can then, through analysis, extract information and convert that information into intelligence. This is the last stage of our data life cycle and allows you to leverage this newfound intelligence in a way that adds real value. Or, put simply, it allows you to act. The power of the data life cycle is that it's universal. The concept is not specific to any one industry, and it can really empower whoever the end user is to make better decisions with the data that they have collected. I hope you enjoyed the video, understand the data life cycle a bit better, and I thank you for watching.